The ninth letter is dal. This is similar to the grammatical article in the English when you say the or then. Now, notice the location of the tongue when you say dal, which is the previous letter. The tongue is inside the mouth and against the top of the teeth when you say dal, dal, d, d, dal. However, the tongue is almost out of the mouth and between the teeth when you say the, thal, thal. So thal is pronounced from the tip of the tongue when it hits lower edge of the upper incisors. Thal. And the tip of the tongue should show outside of the mouth. Thal. Thal. The tip of the tongue is actually sticking out. One of the common mistakes people make is that they keep the tongue inside, which gives us the sound zal. So if I wanted to say thal and keep the tongue inside, it will come out as zal, when in fact it should be thal, with the tongue sticking out. Thal. You see, if I keep my tongue inside while trying to say thal, it comes out as zal. And one of the common mistakes that people make when they say, أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم, they say, أعوذ, because they keep the tongue inside instead of saying أعوذ, the أعوذ. Make sure the tip of the tongue is sticking out. Thal, thal, thal. Examples of thal in the Quran. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ألف لام ميم. ذلك الكتاب لا ريب فيه هدى للمتقين. ذلك, ذلك, indicating a specific reference. That is the Quran, the yaqeen, the burhan, the guidance.